Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Dear students, we have been studying the constructions of sentences. In the previous videos, we have studied either or, neither nor, and both and. Okay? Today we shall study the fourth construction with the help of correlative conjunction, that is not only but also. Okay students, so without wasting time, let's get started. Dear students, first of all, let's know why do we use not only and but also. Not only and but also is used for emphasizing the fact that there is something more to add. Okay student, let me write it. Okay. So it is used to emphasize the fact that there is something more to add. Okay? Yes. Now students, let's have an explanation of how to use not only and but also with some of the important examples. Okay student, you know that how to construct a sentence. Okay, earlier we have seen the method of a single slant line and double slant line. The same method we can use here to construct the sentences with the help of correlative conjunction, that is not only and but also. Let's have the first example. Okay, the cat was hungry. Second example, the cat was thirsty. Okay students, so here we know the similar part. The cat is the similar part. Okay, hungry and thirsty, these are the different parts. So we will put here a single slant line and here double slant line. Okay, now we can use not only and but also to construct these sentences. Okay, so the construction will be like this. Now first of all we will write the similar part. The cat was not only hungry but also thirsty. Okay students, have understood? In the place of slant line we have used not only, and in the place of double slant lines we have used but also. Okay student, have understood? If the second sentence is very lengthy one, then the but conjunction we can use here first, and at the end of the sentence we can use also. Okay students, have understood? Students, let's have few more examples. See students, if there are different subjects, how to construct the sentence with the help of not only but also. See student, John will read the book. Second sentence, Ancilla will read the book. Okay students, so here two sentences are there. One is John will read the book. Second, Ancilla will read the book. The similar part, let's underline first. Will read the book is the similar part in the sentence. John is the different. here, so we will put a single slant line. Ancilla is also a different part here, so we will put double slant line here. Students, here one important thing we need to note is that when we will be using not only in the beginning of the sentence, then the structure of the sentence will be like this. Not only plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb. Okay. So, if you are using not only in the beginning of the sentence, then after not only we will be using the auxiliary verb or helping verb, we can say. Okay, students, have you understood now? For example, here the construction will be like this. John and Ancilla both are different part, we can see here. So the sentence will begin with not only. Now according to the structure, will become before the subject. Not only will John but also Ancilla read the book. Okay. So the sentence will be not only will John but also Ancilla read the book. Okay, have you understood now? Students, let's have one more example. Okay. See here. If verbs are different, then how to construct the sentences with the help of not only and but also. Let me write the sentence first. Okay. This is the first sentence. The teachers teach during the day. Second sentence is see student, the first sentence, the teachers teach during the day. Second sentence, the teachers write the books during night. Okay student. So here in these sentences we see two different verbs. Okay. Teach and write. Then how to use not only and but also here. Students, earlier I have told you, if the second sentence is lengthy, okay, then we can use the conjunction but in the beginning of the second sentence and at the end we can use also. Okay. So the construction will be like this now. The teachers not only teach during the day but now student, here the sentence is lengthy one, so just we will use but here. Okay. But write the books during the night, and at the end we can use also. Okay. Sometimes there is no need to write also because we can assume that there is also, okay, at the end of the sentence. Okay. So the sentence will be the teachers not only teach during the day but write the books during the night. Also can be assumed. So there is no need to write sometimes also. Okay, students, have understood? Students, let's learn one more construction. Okay, with the correlative conjunction, that is as well as. So let's learn the construction of sentences with the help of as well as. First of all, let's learn the meaning of as well as, or why do we use as well as. Yes, it is used as in addition, okay, or besides something. Okay, student, have understood? Okay. Now let's learn with some of the examples. See student, we know the method of constructing the sentences. Okay. Now let's have an example. Men used wheels for transport. The second one is men used wheels for industry also. Now students, first of all we will underline the similar part of the sentences. Men used wheels is the similar part, okay, and we will put a slant line in front of the different parts in the sentences. The first is for transport and second one is for industry also. Students, one important thing here we need to learn that when we construct the sentence with the help of as well as, then we will omit this also, okay. The construction of the sentence will be like this now. First of all, we will write the similar part. Men used wheels. Okay. Now, we will write for transport. Okay. Now, in between these two different parts, we will use as well as for industry. Okay, as I have told you, we need to omit also. So the sentence will be men used wheels for transport as well as for industry. Okay, students, have understood? Students, let's have one more example. The students are ready to climb the mountain. First of all, we will mark the similar part of the sentence. Are ready to climb the mountain is the similar part of the sentence. And the different part of the sentence is the first one, the teachers, and the second one is the students. Okay, and we need to write as well as in between the different part of the sentences. Okay, learn it in between the two different parts. Okay, so the construction will be like this. The teachers as well as the students are ready to climb the mountain. Okay, student? So I told you in between the different parts in the sentences we need to write as well as. The teachers as well as the students are ready to climb the mountain. Student, one more important thing here we need to note that when we use auxiliary verb here, we need to use in reference to the first subject. Okay? In reference to the first subject or the subject which will come before as well as. With reference to it, we will use it. If it is plural, plural auxiliary verb we will use. If it is singular, then singular verb we will use. Okay, for example, let's have an example so that you can understand. First one, he as well as they is ready to climb the mountain. Second one, they as well as I are ready. One more, she as well as I is ready. Okay, student, have understood now? According to the pronoun, we will use the auxiliary verb, the first pronoun or first subject we can say. They are is used, she is used. Okay? Okay, student, have understood? So, today we have learned the use of not only and but also, as well as we have studied the use of as well as in the sentence construction. In the next video, we are going to study some more constructions, for example, as soon as and no sooner than. Thank you.